Is work getting you down? Searching for new ideas? Wishing life were a little more fun? Maybe you need to bend the rules. At Playful Practice, we're curious about a lot of things, including this one. During our human lifespan, we're most creative when we're 5 and younger, but most of us lose it when we get older. Why is that? Well, creativity needs divergent thinking and imagining multiple possibilities. How do you do that? We've done a lot of reading, research, and ruminating, and came up with our own secret formula for divergent thinking. Some of the ingredients are cross-pollination, risk-taking, and uninterrupted time, and the freedom to bend the rules. Why is that important? It's the key to divergent thinking. It also has other benefits, like lowering your stress and increasing your concentration. Want to learn how to bend the rules? Or just get more playful with your practice? Check out our playful products, like books, tools, and t-shirts. All designed to make work and life more playful.